Let's dive into the basics of HTML tag structure and how to use them effectively. Anatomy of an HTML tag. HTML tags are enclosed in angle brackets and can be either opening tags or closing tags. An opening tag is used to define the start of an element, while the closing tag defines the end of an element. For example, the opening tag for a paragraph element is P, and the closing tag is /P. Anything between the opening and closing tags is considered to be part of the element. So, a basic paragraph element looks like this. Some HTML tags are self-closing, meaning they don't require a closing tag. For example, the img tag is used to embed images in a web page, and it's self-closing. Here, the src attribute specifies the URL of the image, and the alt attribute provides a text description of the image, which is important for accessibility. HTML tag hierarchy. HTML elements can be nested inside each other, creating a hierarchy of elements. The outermost element is usually the HTML tag, and inside it, you'll find the head and body tags. Here, the title tag is nested inside the head tag, and the H1 and P tags are nested inside the body tag. The head tag is used to define metadata about the web page, such as the page title, while the body tag is used to define the visible content of the page. HTML attributes. HTML tags can also have attributes, which are used to provide additional information about the element. Attributes are added to the opening tag and are written as attribute equals value. For example, the A tag is used to create hyperlinks, and it has an href attribute to specify the URL of the link. The href attribute specifies the destination of the link, and the text between the opening and closing tags is the visible text of the link. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.